In this YouTube video, I'll show you literally the easiest meme coin trading strategies you will ever see. Yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Cransby and I'm back with a new fresh YouTube sauce. By the way, shout out to you if you have been subscribed to this YouTube channel, aka me, you are the absolute legend. And of course, the X account, if you just want to follow the journey. By the way guys, we are doing a live stream challenge. It's 3 Solanas till 911 Porsche. Which of course I'm live streaming on YouTube platform, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and you will get notified. So if you're free and DJing and you wanna come chill with me on live stream, I would be really glad. Thank you. Alright, it's time when I show you an actual cheat code which I'm doing on an Axiom trading platform. So the first thing you do is you go to the migrated section and you see for the tokens which literally has just migrated, right? As for example this token. But for this YouTube video, let's take this token as an example because we also took a trade on it. So you press on it. So the first thing you actually do is you see how the token performs after the migrated section. Usually it has like 20, 30, 40% drop, and the key point there is you need to actually see how low does the token dips, how low it goes, right? And when the token stops, it means that there is less sales happening and more buy volume coming in, right? Which makes sense. And that's the point where you literally enter the trade, because it's easy to see. It's easy to see when the token starts to struggle, you know, after the dip, it wants to bounce back so hard. So that's the easy scalp trading you can do and enter the trade there. And of course, if you do that, make sure you put a limit order on sales. For example, imagine if you enter here on 46k markup. I would also put the sell order on like 40k in case it dips below that stage. And then there is also second scenario when the volume is really good and the token doesn't really give you any dips after the migration, right? So as we did actually here, I saw that there isn't really much sell pressure happening, right? And I entered the trade here on this stage with $200. Remember, this is a challenge wallet. But basically what we did is we entered the trade here because the buy volume was really coming in, and we just took an easy scalp trade there with some small profit, of course. But the key point is you can do this every single time when the token actually migrates. But for this strategy to work, you have to be really also cautious, right? You instantly go to the bubble maps and see if there isn't a really big bubble. If it is, it means the token has really been bundled, which means the team who made this particular token would have all the supply, right? And you don't want to put your money in something where basically you can get rogged or instantly. So avoid those tokens whenever you see a big bubble. This is nothing major, by the way, this scenario. It's like 3%, 4%, and you can also press on those bubbles and see how much the actual supply they have. And then right there you can see filter section, which you press on it and you put liquidity 10k, then market cap 10k also, and max market cap 100 or 150k market cap. You can play it around if you want to, of course. And the goal here is also super simple. You need to look only on 5-minute and 1-hour time frame, and you need to see which tokens has good percentage, right? It means that those particular tokens actually has a volume happening there and they are performing really well. And for example, if you see a good percentages, you just open them in a new tab and just scroll down, and that's what you do. That's what you literally do. And usually it is like up to 5 tokens, but it's an easy money. You press on them, then of course you can copy the contract, you move to Axiom, and you just see how is the action on that particular token. Then of course if there's a community, you check out the community, you see how the vibes are there, then you see the holder percentages, is it healthy, is it not healthy, and stuff like that. If suddenly there is a heavy movement happening, yes, you can jump on them, you can jump on the volume, and of course put the sell limit orders just to be safe. And the key point of Dexscreener strategy is that you can find tokens early, right, before anyone else. The point is that people can also do the community takeovers on X particular tokens. Maybe it has like really good, narrative. Maybe it's a good meme, and the original team, bounced. They left, they sold their bags, and community took that over. And that's how you usually can find really good mooners, just by simply fast scrolling and see who has good percentages, right? And sometimes just by doing this you can make really good money on X particular token. But alright boys and girls, I don't want to make really long YouTube video right now, but what I will do is I will make part 2 where I will drop new sauce, new strategies and just cool stuff which you will really find useful. And yes, I still do think that Axiom is still the best trading platform out there, and as I see right now, no one can make it even better. So shout out also to Axiom because their platform is just insane. But alright, till the next time, peace!